Hello, hello. I am back with a couple more canvases from my Craftibly order. Two of the smaller ones. We'll put these together. It's kind of a coincidence I put these two together because there's a story to tell about each of these. So let's get into it. Let's go with the smaller one first, okay? So the smaller one, okay, this is not a canvas I originally ordered, all right? The canvas I originally ordered was the garden pond, which was a nice pond with a dragonfly in it and all that. You know, it was really pretty. Well, apparently that one did not come. I don't think it was even produced because now they're on it at the factory and they're making that one. Do you see how these come sealed like this? I love that. It's a beautiful day here. It's very windy though, so you'll hear the wind chimes in this video, but hope you don't mind. Anyhow, it was not even produced apparently, didn't come. They did have some issues with this order and they had to fix some things. They actually rebagged some things, pressed some canvases because they were wrinkly. Some things happened. So they're working on stuff. But because the one I ordered, Garden Pond, didn't come, they offered me either a refund or another canvas. I chose a different canvas. I'd already paid for it, why not? So I just got a different canvas. This one I liked originally, it just didn't make the top 6, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna roll this backwards just a little so it'll lay really flat for us. I love so much about this order, so much. Okay, here's the toolkit. Their toolkit has changed a bit. They're putting tweezers in every kit I've gotten so far, and mine are rounds, and I'm still getting tweezers with rounds. Unlike some companies just give you tweezers if it's square. I like the tweezers. I'll take the tweezers every time. Now this is just a slight issue here, getting your stuff out of the bag. The bag is really narrow, it's tight, it's in there. Gotta work with it. All right. There's a squishy for your pen, and they have done this. They've done this with their wax. Nice little pot with Craftibly on it. You get a nice white tray, boat, and this I love. 2 multi-placers, and they are the white multi-placers, a 4 and a 7. These are my favorite. I love these. This one's got some extra plastic on it over here. We'll have to get that little tab of plastic off there. But anyhow, love that. Nice toolkit, all right? They give you an instruction sheet. It's really nice. Look, it's a whole sheet. Has their phone number, has their information here if you need to get a hold of them. Love that. And their inventory sheet is a sticker. It's big, you guys. It's big. You can't see this. All right, here's what I got. I got Bluebird in the Daisy Meadow. It's very pretty. It's a 30 by 40. It's licensed work. Melinda, that's interesting. That's my real name. Melinda Hifsher. Okay. So that's licensed art right there. And here's your symbols and your colors. There are 38 colors in this. Wow, they've got lots of colors in their paintings this time. I mean, it's making them look just beautiful, right? Just beautiful. So there's the symbols, and these are stickers. You can just cut them out, put them on your jars. Yep, there you go. Okay. All right. Here's the drills, and the drills come pre-bagged. Okay, they're all in baggies with the DMC number on them, as you can see there, and the weight. And they have this on the bag. Now, I've talked with them about this. There's different opinions about this. I kind of like the bags that reseal. This one does not reseal. Once you open it, it's open. I like to open them and check things out. Plus, I show you guys. I like to be able to put them back in a bag and reseal them. So I talked with Michael, and he's going to look into seeing if they can find a nicer, heavier bag that maybe reseals, if that's what people like. So, you know, feedback would be greatly appreciated. I just gave my opinion, okay? All right, here's our canvas. Are you ready to see this? Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's a 30 by 40, so it's a smaller size. There you go, smaller. Some of them are really large, some are medium, some are small. It's like there's something there for everybody. Squares, rounds, they've done a really nice job putting together this order. I know the first time, I think you could just get each kit in whatever it came in, squares or rounds. Now, I think most of them you have a choice. And there's, you know, something for everybody. Legend over here, with a picture. You get a thumbnail picture here. And there's the symbols. Not a 310 in sight on this picture, right? Lots of greens. Oh, look, we have ecru. Never had that before. I've seen some people unbox things that have ecru, but I've never had it. And down here, again, you have the thumbnail, you have the name, Bluebird, and the Daisy Meadow, the artist, and the licensing copyright information. Look at the symbols. You guys, the symbols on these are so pretty and so clear. So pretty and so clear. Look, very nice, right? Everything's beautiful. Poured glue, sticky canvas, excellent symbols, beautiful. Okay, so I've tried this bag a couple different ways. The first time I slit open the top and just pull them out that way. That I can at least kind of tuck them back in there that way. Another time I tried slitting down the side, and that I did not like. So that I could not get back. I could not get the drills to stay in, and they just wanted to go all over the place that way. So we're going to open it this way. Okay, we're going to dump these out. And then, sure, if I cut it enough. I didn't cut it enough. Got to go all the way to the edge. There we go. So, and then when I'm done, I can slide these back in. They won't be as neat as this, but I can kind of slide them back in the bag. All right, so just like the colors show on the canvas, we're gonna have browns for the fence and the stump, and lots of greens for all that greenery. We'll have some blue for the sky. We got some reds in here, some burgundies hanging out. Beautiful tans and greens. More tans and greens. Oh, and then we have some Bluebird colors here. There's our Bluebird colors. The blue and the orangey color, that's the Bluebird, I bet. All right. Very naturey colors, right? I wonder what one ecru is. It's number 38 in it. Oh, does it say ecru on the bag? I wonder. I haven't seen anything. But there we go, greens and whatnot. Where's ecru? Does it say? Yep, right here. Here it is. Just a little bit of it. It's kind of like a tan, a light tan color. Pretty cool. So, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Their drills are wonderful. I mean, you know, last time I got some stuff from them, they were perfect. I have not had any trouble, rounds or squares. I've done both. All right, let's look at the next one. We don't want to take all day with this, right? Okay, this one everybody wants. I know everybody wants this one, okay? And here's the deal with this one, okay? Most of these did not come in their shipment. They are coming. They are just waylaid somewhere, got separated from the original shipment. They're still on a boat somewhere on the way here. They did have some other things that didn't come in, and they're waiting on those as well. So some things may come a little bit later. You might get a partial order if you pre-ordered, because these were pre-ordered. And this one might just be later than the others, okay? This is one I had to have the second I saw it when they did a preview. Had to have it. I'm gonna lay it down like this, because it tends to flatten out very nicely if you just do this for a minute on the counter or your table or whatever. Okay, what is it? What is it? I'm not going to go through the toolkit again because it's exactly the same. Same directions. Here's our sticker sheet. Are you ready? It is Chloe. It is Chloe, the crazy cat lady. Cat crazy Chloe. She is so stinking cute, you guys. Licensed Sheena Pike artwork. She's a 40 by 60. Look at her. She is so, so cute. Now, I'll tell you right now, the whole image is not on this sticker here. The top is cut off. The whole thing's not there. But well, look at her. She has 36 colors. So he said, I think like 80 to 90% of the Chloe's did not come in yet. They're still on the way. So if you ordered a Chloe, you might not get it yet. So just be patient. Okay, be patient. Look at the colors in Chloe. Pinks, purples, grays, beautiful. Here's what else is happening. When all of the pre-orders are done and said and sent out, then they will see what is left, inventory their stock. Some things that are saying sold out right now might not be truly sold out when they get through all of the inventory and send out everything that's pre-ordered. So some of those things could come back as available. There's a lot that is available right now. So if you have not purchased from Craftibly, go check them out. On your first purchase, you can use my code Mindy15 and get 15% off. Then you can go in after that and start earning points. You earn points for things like liking them on Facebook. Every purchase earns points. Your birthday, doing a review. All of those types of things earn you points, which earns you money off your next purchase. It's pretty cool. Here she is. Oh my goodness, she is so stinking cute. Like I said, when I saw her, when they did the previews, I was like, yes, please, please. So you see what I mean? On the picture, you cannot see the cat on her head. Here's what I mean. Here's the sticker. It's just like the other sticker, except this is smaller. It kind of cut off the top. All right. But there's a cat on her head. And look at those red glasses. Oh my gosh, are they cute or what? And she's got just the cutest eyes, and look at her little pouty lip. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. And then down here is another cat. Chloe likes her cats. I see some sparklers in her earrings, maybe her glasses. What do you think? I think they need some sparklers. Anyhow, she's got a cat on her mug. Isn't she just rocking it? Her glasses and her kitties and stuff. She's so cute. Look how good that looks. Okay. You want to color block, folks? Here's color blocking. This is going to be all color block, this whole background. So if you like to do some color blocking, you got some opportunities to do it here. So like always, their names at the top, a legend here, the symbols. And at the bottom, we have Cat Crazy Chloe, Munchkin, Sheena Pike, art and illustration. Yes, licensed. Look at the symbols. As always, they are perfectly clear, you guys. There is nothing here that's confusing at all. Look at the eyes on that kitty. Oh my gosh. How cute is that, right? And there's the pouty lips. Oh man, I do see some red sparklers here somewhere. Yeah. All right. So, symbols, nice and clear. 36 different symbols, 36 colors. And there's your color blocking. Number 4. Number 4. Oh, okay, that's weird. That's a misprint. I'll let them know. It says number 4 is 310. That is not going to be 310, folks. That is white, not 310. I'll let them know that that is a misprint. Anyhow, my guess is this color is the background, whatever that number is. Let's find out. 5200 or let's see. Let's get the drills out. You know, you got to hand it to people who start a company, find a manufacturer, go through this whole process, license artwork, you know, do everything the right way. And, you know, sometimes there's things that need to be tweaked, you know? Okay. So it's 38.65, all right? So, no, I'm wrong. I am totally wrong. I take all of that back. Number 4 is the symbol, not the number on the canvas. I'm so wrong. Number 4 is the symbol, which is 38.65. Oh my goodness. Number 4 is the bullseye, and that is 310. This is what happens when I make too many videos in a row. I get sloppy. Anyhow, got that figured out. Chloe's good. Chloe's good to go. Here's some colors. Love the bags. Love that the numbers are on the bags. I haven't even kitted into containers with my Craftiblies. I just put these in a box and I work out of the bags. They're nice, thicker bags. They, you know, they hold up really well. They don't tear. Look at the beautiful colors. She's fantastic. Just fantastic. Purples, pinks. I love this color. It's one of my favorites. But look at the beautiful colors. She's gonna be gorgeous. She's so cute. You guys, I mean, even with a few things that they weren't happy with, you know, because there's always some growing pains, right? It's still a fantastic, fantastic kit. I love how things are packaged. I mean, wow. Okay, let me show you what I mean about the drills. Let's find this tray. And let's look at these. It's just a pretty taupey purple color. I just grabbed one. No rhyme nor reason. No rhyme nor reason. Okay, and let's look at the drills. That's what they look like. They are excellent drills. They really are. There is nothing wrong with those drills. They're super shiny. I don't see junk. I don't see weird shapes. I don't see Pac-Mans. I see nothing wrong with these round drills. They look beautiful to me. What do you think? I think they look great. All right. So, sorry about the mistake with the 4. Like I said, it's been video after video today. Anyhow, that's what we have, guys. So if you're waiting on a Chloe, just know that she is on a boat and will get here. And as soon as they have her, you will get her. And keep going back. There are things available. And like I said, some other things may become available as they figure out what inventory they have left. So thank you, Craftibly. You're doing a nice job. I know you're working hard for everybody. Customer service is like perfect. I mean, I emailed them and they were like right back with me. And you know, sometimes they take the day off. It might be the next day, or maybe if it's on a weekend, you wait till Monday. But they are quite responsive and they are so super helpful. They will answer your questions if you have any. If there's any questions I can answer, put them in the comments below and I will let you know. Go check out Craftibly, Mindy15. Get 15% off your first order. And then earn yourself some points after that. Okay? All right. I'm done with these two. I'm going to wrap this up, put these drills away, and I have more stuff to do. Yeah. All right. Until next time, you guys, have a great day. Stay safe. And I appreciate everything you do. Just keep being you. I'll keep being me. All right? I'll see you next time.